Windows 10's 2021 update concept design by Dynamic 4D. Windows 10 is even more secure than ever before. Modern simplistic start menu. Welcome to the new email app. Dynamic Action Center with modern UI. Dynamic day and night switch. New shortcuts for the taskbar. Photos app got even more beautiful and unique design. Edge browser is more faster than ever before. Simplistic and modern File Explorer with more features. No more space for viruses in your PC now. Thank you for watching. Subscribe Dynamic 4D for more contents and feel free to comment your ideas.